Alright guys, man oh man, I just love stuff like this. This is another one by HG Fortune, and we've talked about a different product of theirs. What is it, Laser Blade? I think this isn't it one of theirs? I could be wrong. We just talked about it. I get so many VSTs going through my head right now. I'm pretty sure that's what it was, but we are talking today about ProtoPlasm by HG Fortune. They have some other products out there, and it definitely warrants a further investigation into their products from you. I'll tell you that right now. Go check them out. I love stuff like this. So we have our three oscillators up here, and we have a wave select here. Let's check out how many we actually have in here. So looks like we have a selection of 75 different sound sources here. Our levels, level modulations, mod amount, so that's cool. We have our LFOs down below that. And next, we're looking, I like it how we read from things from left to right here. I love it when it's set up in such a way that you can kind of understand the chain. Anyway, so after that, we have our filter selection here. ADSR parameters for that. So low pass and a high pass. Okay. LFOs. LFO mixing. Okay, so there's some odd stuff happening. And the final mix, lazy all. Lazy all, what is this? Oh, look at that. It's like okay, so there's a randomization button. Look at that, dude. That's so crazy. Alright, so, very cool. Let's go through some of these presets now that we've kind of like looked at what we have here. And, like always, you can just kind of, if you want to bust these down, you could turn the volume down on 3, you can turn the volume down on 2, and you should just have 1. Yeah, so if you wanted to see exactly what that one sound of Interstellar is, well, there it is. I guess we could turn off the modulation for that too, and let's just try to get a normal blank sound out of this thing. I mean, we got some delays and stuff going on. You can go around and kind of turn everything off if you want, but this is kind of like breaking it down to its more fundamental, simple area here. Very cool instrument, with what it does. It's a lot of mixing and matching and possibilities here to get some really cool sounds. And with that being said, let's go check out some of the sounds that the developer has made themselves. So, Arcane Subject VK. Yeah, dude, you get some controls on these levels here, and then yeah, there's some really cool stuff happening here, for sure. And then I'd like to know a little bit more about this LFO mixing stuff down here. I think that warrants a little bit more of some knowledge on that. But this is very cool, and I love these pad generator type of things. And I'm sure you're going to get a lot more different sounds out of this, whatever you want with controlling the attacks and stuff like that. So, but I think this is a very cool instrument to have in your odd noise selection arsenal. And the lazy all button here is, let's hit that again. It's like each section down there. That's really cool, you know. Yeah, I mean, the UI is a little, you know, it's cut and dry. You gotta really look at things, but I'm used to it too, you know. I mean, being in FL studios, where everything is kind of like just the facts, you know, and that's what the UI screams here. But it's doing everything that it's doing very well. I love all the sounds that it comes out of, that is coming out of this thing, and it's got a lot of value to me. I've got a lot of tools that are kind of like this that are newer, so I probably wouldn't pull this out a whole lot, but it's a relic collecting piece. It still has a lot of value. I just have things that do this way better with the UI. Some products in my contact library we'll get to later called Eclipse and stuff like that, that just really do a better job at this. But these guys, I mean, you know, hands down, for free, you guys go check this out. If you don't have it in your arsenal, it'd be something cool to have, definitely, for sure. I could see this adding value to your production. So with that being said, we are going down my VST list, and most of them are free in the very beginning, so we are plugging away at that, and I will see you guys on the next video. So hit that like and subscribe, hit the little bell so when you know what's coming out, and I'll see you on the next one.